Oh. Walang ngiti, walang ngiwi. Here comes that counter punch once again. Nagiging mailap lang itong si Balunan. Naramdaman ni Balunan yung body shot na yun, ha?
Oo, solid yun.
Balunan smiling, that usually means you got hurt. Another shot to the body.
Low blow.
Quick apology.
Makikita mo yung kakulangan sa experience ni Christian Balunan.
But again, he is an undefeated fighter. Ito pong challenger sa Corona na IBF World Minimum Weight title dito si Pedro Taduran. Yan, nagiging hindi na siya natatamaan.
Yeah. Alam mo, may talent no? May talent ito si Christian Balunan. It's just that medyo kaharap na ngayon, veteran na two-time world champion.
Correct. So going for his third title defense, or second title defense on his new reign.
Kasi alam mo, may mga boxer lang yung mga champion, mga veterano. You don't show them that kind of facial expression na ngingiti-ngitian mo.
Eh, wala namang response na nagagaling sa ngiti niya.
Yes.
Third round about to come to a close.
May skill, Sila natin lang kung may power ba si Christian Balunan.
Well, Balunan has 7 KOs and his 12 victories as a professional fighter. Big names in Philippine boxing yan, Peñalosa, Elorde.
Nagsama,
Oo, pa yan.
Oo, si Ala Villamor.
Kita natin yung body shot dito na binitiwan niya eh. E tinaramdaman boom. Tapos napata siya ron.
Oo. Investigation.
Which
I think, as mentioned by Sean Gibbons kanina, parang yun ang target nila. If ever manalo si Pedro Taduran dito, they want to seek a unification with one of the fellow champions sa division. Particularly si Oscar Collazo.
Ano ba yun? WBO?
Yun ang alam ko, WBO.
Yes. Well, more movement now from Balunan. Hindi na siya nagpapaipit sa ropes. Still stalking though itong si Pedro Taduran. Trying to turn the tables that time ito si Balunan. Taduran is still in his face. Balunan trying to be more aggressive sa kanyang counters dito sa third round or sa fourth round. Shot to the body once again. Yan yung mga unti-unting na napapatupi niya. Kalaban eh. So remember the way Rocky Marciano used to punch his opponent's arms. In this case, body shots naman ang binibigay. And Taduran wants to exchange at the ropes.
Alam mo, crucial dito yung conditioning ni Christian Balunan, partner, Kasi siya yung magalaw, umatras.
Nice counter left. Galing kay Balunan.
Pero ang problema, madalang yung mga dating ng suntok ni Christian Balunan. Whereas si Pedro Taduran, very consistent.
Saka sugod na sugod.
Parating may patama si Pedro Taduran.
That negates what little reach advantage Christian Balunan had to begin with. Well, if anything, nakuha ni Balunan yung timing niya. Nakakaiwas.
Yeah, but for how long?
Yun.
Yun ang tanong dun. Kasi minsan yung pag you keep yourself fresh until such time na umabot pa sa dulo kung sakasakali.
Tapos na with conditioning.
Yeah, with the way he's been moving around. Parang medyo...
may dugo na, may dugo na. Not quite sure that came from a headbutt, but Taduran does not care. Taduran is coming in.
Yes, dun mo makita yung pagiging veterano ni Pedro Taduran.
Bumubuhos na po si Taduran dito. This time natatamaan na si Balunan. if that came from a headbutt. There's blood on the face
Oo.
of Christian Balunan.
Malaki yung cut na yun.
Yan, southpaw
Malaki.
versus orthodox eh.
Wala tayong nakitang headbutt.
And that's one of the worst.
Pero tignan natin dito.
Galing yata dun eh.
Ayun.
Hindi, sa gilid eh. Pero
Ayun. Headbutt niya. Oo.
Accidental headbutt. Seeing it again. Diyan malapad. Boom! Doon, nagkasuwagan. It's part of the rigors of being a boxer dito, Dennis. Especially southpaw versus orthodox.
Kaya mapapacheck muna. Ang ating referee, tabi muna. So yun, walang deklarasyon na headbutt. So if this fight gets stopped because of that cut, TKO yan.
TKO, yes. Although we clearly saw the replay of that fourth round, that was a headbutt. And dyan magigising ito si Balunan.
Dapat. Pero kumakapit, partner eh.
Oo.
Iba yung kapit eh. At saka kanina, na when that happened, immediately after that, nag-iiba yung galaw ni Balunan.
Oh,
Good
wow.
left.
Left hand lead. Daming kontadura niya.
Yung focus niya, nandun pa rin. Pedro Taduran.
May bago na rin sa target ngayon. Nakikita niya yung above that right eyebrow. Going to the body once again. Ito si Taduran. Daming angulo ng kanya suntok.
Nagiging accurate na si Pedro Taduran.
And all Balunan can do is try to push him away with that left
Yes,
hand.
I think he's affected by that cut.
Ayan na.
Iba na eh.
Dumugo na naman.
Time out na. Mihingi ni referee. I think to-check na to. Interesting. Paano tatawag ito, no? Because iniinda na, no? It's very obvious.
No
Balunan,
stoppage. Yeah.
Balunan is very much bothered by that cut.
Ayan na. Talagang tinatarget na ni Taduran yung sugat na yan.
Kasi either way, even if i-declare na headbutt yan, pupunta tayo sa scorecards around this time, ano?
Pasok na.
Sa atin, lamang si Pedro Taduran.
Taduran,
Even though we gave the first round kay Balunan rather.
Pero yun nga, pasok ng scorecards if they do try to stop it at this point.
Nice left from Pedro Taduran. Boxing clinic ang pinapakita rito ni Pedro Taduran. How to keep your composure, focus, and be consistent.
And also how to negate your physical disadvantages.
Na napakalaki, kitang-kita natin. Eh, oh. Kita mo, yung tingin ni Pedro Taduran, nakatungo.
Nakita naman natin in our careers, Dennis, smaller fighters still reigning supreme over the taller fighters. Everybody who fought with Mike Tyson will tell you that.
And Manny Pacquiao.
And Manny Pacquiao, tama ka. Yung Antonio Margarito pala,
Yes.
tanongin mo sa kanya.
Oh.
Oscar Larios. Also.
Oscar De La Hoya.
Final seconds of the fifth.
Si Balunan ngayon, getting a taste of a
Unofficially, of course, boom. Yan ay tinatarget talaga. And you feel, Dennis, it's just a matter of time eh. At the way things are going.
Yeah, at saka yung damage nung cut na yun. Ano?
Same area. That could get bloody. Eto na, inspection time. Tatawagin ang ating ring physician. Dr. Hernandez. Okay lang daw. Okay lang. Sige. For now.
Doon mo naman makita yung galing ni Tito Villamor, partner. Kita natin bukang-buka yung cut na yun. But Tito Villamor, a veteran of countless
na
World Championship fights.
Like over the last 30 years na yata si Tito Villamor dyan. Of course, siya na may hawak ng training ng mga PMI boys sa Bohol. Kaya na naman, nagkasuntugan na naman. But now, Pedro Taduran. Lumalaban na ngayon ito si Michael Balunan. For the first time, nakita natin bumuka na yung bibig ni Taduran.
Pero yung, nakita mo yung mata ni Pedro Taduran kung saan nakatingin. Dun sa cut.
Right. Another connection to the head from Taduran.
Medyo napapadalas partner yung pagbangga ng mga ulo na, no? Clashing of heads.
Again, what you expect from Orthodox versus Southpaw. Talagang yun lang tinatarget ni Taduran.
Oo.
He's not even going for the jaw. He's just going for that spot above the right eyebrow. And another inspection time. We are getting very close on this one. Okay pa rin daw.
Well, for one, hindi naman kasi madugo no?
Oo. Pero again, nothing personal ito para kay Taduran. I must hit you in that spot.
Yes.
Kung saan ka nasasaktan.
Regardless kung paano nangyari yan. Headbutt or punch, tuloy pa rin ang atake ni Pedro Taduran.
And Taduran is now introducing the uppercut to his combination. 1-2 na naman. 1-2 lang ng 1-2 ito si Taduran.
Yes. Oo.
Body shot this time. Naramdaman din yan ni Balunan. Less than a minute remaining in the 6th round. Blood starting to come out of the head of Christian Balunan.
Medyo dapat tignan na ng referee ito. Hindi na sumusuntok si Christian, partner, ha?
Oo. Probably one hit. Nahihilo na rin yan.
Wala na,
And the corner might also consider. But Balunan fires one and gets away. Bumagal na rin yung activity dito ni Christian Balunan. Tatapos na ang ating 6th round. Oh, great shots there. That's 3 in a row coming from Christian Balunan. Some signs of life, but that round will about the cut. It's about
Balunan is trying to protect yung kanyang cut. And at the same time, I think may epekto sa kanya, no?
Glad to have you with us. Our continuing coverage of this championship bout. Title defense of Pedro Taduran for the IBF World Minimum Weight title. Kalaban niya from Bohol. Ito si Christian Balunan.
Nakalimutan ko yung mouthpiece.
Yun na nga eh. Natawa si Charlie Suarez. Nakita niya. Maganda ang pagtatapos ni Balunan nung ating 6th round.
Yes, but I don't think enough yun.
No, definitely not. Pero at least a step in the right direction. Nadulas.
Pero kita mo, partner, hindi sa kaibigan ko dito, pero he's doing a great job. No, he's trying to keep that cut na medyo nasasara pa kahit paano.
Ang problema dyan, nasasara nga yung cut, pero yung sakit niyan. Hindi nawawala, especially after that left hand connected to the head from Taduran.
Yun na naman, another left from Taduran.
Mabawi dito si Balunan, but again, Taduran able to send a statement. And that cut has reopened again. Opening to the body this time para kay Pedro Taduran, and a shot to the face.
Alam mo, in a lot of ways, bilib na rin ako rito kay Christian Balunan, no? Because
Di bumabagsak.
Nandun pa rin kahit paano. No?
But is he throwing punches? That's the question. Panaka-naka.
Oo.
Patras na patras itong si Balunan.
You know, it's not for that cut. Baka maganda-ganda itong laban na ito. Sakali.
Pero ang problema, binobodega na rin. Dito si Taduran, ngayon aakit na naman siya. So lahat na ng uri ng patama ginawa niya. But yet, Balunan is still standing. Half a minute to go. Napapakapit na rin ito si Balunan. Final seconds of the 7th round. We have given 6 straight rounds to play.
Pero ang dami nyo rin tinanggap no? From Pedro Taduran.
Yung nga lang will that tell a story later on? Will it take its toll on this youngster from Bohol? Taduran, ganyan pa rin, ano? Parang Joe Frazier talaga. Pasok lang ng pasok. To the head once again. Taduran now has opened that wound again and might create a new one.
Tumutukod na si Christian Balunan.
Puro depensa na lang ginagawa ni Balunan dito ngayon. And he is now exclusively backpedaling.
Yes. Obviously bothered by that cut.
Hindi na, ang dami patama sa ulo. Parang pinuputak din na yung ulo niya ng suntok eh. I mean, halos wala ng body attack itong si Taduran.
Headhunting na lang yung ginagawa niya rito.
Nakatayo ka pa rin, ha?
Kita mo yung kanyang tolerance sa pain, ano?
Well, that's one thing working the way of Christian Balunan. But that's probably the only thing working for him right now.
And kasama mo na conditioning.
Oh yeah,
with all the movement that he's been doing.
Given yan, because that's ala.
Wala pa tayo nakikitang sign na na parang hinihinga, tumutukod na. Andun pa rin siya, no?
Nasasaktan lang at down he goes!
Oy, slip daw
ba?
Mukhang may suntok dun.
Mukha nga. But referee Alfie Hocoso rules it as a slip. Where is the knockout punch na hinihintay niya ibigay kanina pa?
I think, alam mo, itong si Christian Balunan, no? Well, I'm not saying naman na sure win na to for Pedro Taduran, but looking at the future of this kid, konting din pa sa suntok. May maganda yung dalaw niya overall. Considering na bothered siya nung cut na yon, for him to survive this long says a lot about this boy from Cebu.
At alam naman natin, nagkaroon din siya ng pagkakataon na makuha ang isang title not too long ago.
Kasi matibay din
WBO Asia Pacific Youth minimum weight title ang nakuha nitong si Christian Balunan.
Remember, ito si Pedro Taduran, he scored 13 knockouts in 8. And now to take a look at the slow-mo replay.
I'm still wondering how that became a slip, Dennis.
Eto, tignan mo kung isang side pa siguro. So again, continue ko lang partner. Yun nga, how they work on that cut and how they are able to motivate si Christian Balunan to just keep on going.
Well, Balunan is going.
One thing is for sure, this young man is showing us a lot of heart. Christian Balunan.
Di pa rin tumitigil sa kakasuntok, but now Balunan introducing the uppercut. Round number 9 scheduled for 12. This is for the IBF minimum weight world title, currently held by Pedro Taduran, who's now getting a beating in this 9th round. So itong si Christian Balunan coming to life. Knockout artist din ito, 7 of his 12 wins coming by way of knockout.
But definitely, partner, malayo yung quality.
Ay, pati percentages din.
Yes. Oo.
Balik sa bodega. Si Taduran. Balik na naman sa pagdurugo. Ang ulo nitong si Bulanan.
Tibay, partner. Matibay. No, lopsided na eh, no? One-sided. But, andun pa rin si Christian Balonan.
Refuses to quit.
Yes.
Again, nice angle here to show exactly what kind of damage Pedro Taduran is doing.
Malaban pa rin, partner. Kaya lang,
Natatamaan na talaga sa mukha eh.
ayaw naman pumayag ni Pedro Taduran. Tinamaan siya ng isa. Binalikan niya ng 3.
It's only a question of time kung dudugo na rin yung ilong nitong si Christian Balonan.
Matibay, partner. Makunat.
Makulat. Yan tawag lang iron chin.
Yes. Pero alam mo, siguro around this time, kung gusto pa ng corner niya, probably bigyan pa ng isang round. But, to
Ayan na.
avoid
Silipin
further
natin daw.
damage, sa tingin ko around this time, dapat yung corner niya na
And I go back to that
dito
fight
eh,
between
no?
Margarito.
Sayang eh.
Margarito and Pacquiao. By the 12th round, iba na itsura ng Margarito.
Oh.
The corner did not want to stop it. The fighter did not want to stop it.
For me, I think around this time, medyo lost cause na to eh, no? Baka lang mapasama pa rito si Balonan.
Well, he made it to the... Kanya.
Number one, the determination. Hindi mo masusukat yan eh, no? Unlike yung mga punches, mabibilang mo. No? But yung puso ng isang boksingero, walang nakakasukat yan. Ma-observe mo lang. And ito, without a doubt, with the kind of punishment that he's been getting, talagang nagpapakita ng determination itong si Christian Balonan. And it seems that ngayon, no, parang may second win pa eh.
Parang hindi naman yata napagod in the first place. Nasaktan lang. Connection from Taduran.
Siguro dito pumapasok na yung part na him being 23 years old. Still young.
Manggap ng 1-2 sa mukha. Itong si Balonan. Hindi naman kasi massively disformed yung mukha or anything like that.
Malaban pa rin. Pero talagang I think titignan na naman ng referee ito.
Pag bumuka ulit.
Meron na naman tayo nakikita ng blood coming out of that cut. And Pedro Taduran targeting.
Yun na. Almost taking a knee that time. Etong si Christian Balonan.
Alam mo, I think dito, avoid, further damage dito sa batang ito.
That's a corner's decision and almost going down. Etong si Balonan. 1-2 connecting once again. Pero good response galing dito kay Balonan.
Mukha yata nag-enjoy yung corner doon sa magandang trabaho nila sa cut. But we have to consider the overall status ng kanyang boxer, no? The welfare.
Nobody was talking boxing to him. Inaayos lang sila yung sugat. Solid shot coming from Taduran.
Matibay itong si Balonan. It's just that he's being outfought. He's facing a legitimate veteran world champion whose last title defense happened behind enemy lines in Japan.
Yes.
Veterano na yan.
And not seeking the knockout punch. Ito si Tadura. Talagang pambarag lang ng mukha ang ginagawa niya sa to. Kasi that round comes to a close.
Nag-iingat din eh, no? Kasi nakikita niya, lumalaban yung kaharap niya.
Another round that will go to the champion. Ang kanya pag
Lang itong ito mo na. Despite that cut, you know, magaling ka, matibay ka, kaya mo. So, on to the next fight.
malay mo, mami keyword nga itong kalaban. Di ba?
So, parang si Pedro Tadura parang ready to go 20 rounds.
Correct. Naipit na naman sa corner. And Balunan has to escape. For Tadura, what's it gonna take to make this guy stop? And ang dami na bumubusa rin si Tadura. He's emptying the clip, so to speak.
No,
Pero hindi pa rin bumapagsak ang kanyang kalaban.
very resilient. This Christian Balunan.
Some signs of life from Balunan. Yun lang, oh. Just trying to go up and down, trying to be elusive. And that cut has opened up again.
Tinatarget pa rin ni Pedro Taduran. That cut.
Again, walang personalan.
Pero kita mo, no, parang anesthesia tumatakbo sa veins nito eh. No?
Dugo niya, no?
Oo.
Almost taking a knee that time.
You know, you can't say na walang power yung mga suntok ni Pedro Taduran eh, no? He's proven that time and again na meron siyang punching power.
Eh, sanay din naman sa decision itong si Taduran. So doesn't see the need to put away his opponent. He wants his opponent to quit. Pero mukhang hindi mangyayari yun. Final seconds of the 11th. Round number 11 comes to an end. And look at the bloody mess here, Dennis Principe.
No.
Sabihin niya dito, Villamor, isang round, kaya pa ba? Ayan, counter din eh.
I think yun na lang ang gusto niya achieve dito ni Benito Villamor, no? To tell his ward na, yeah, siguro outbox tayo rito, but
Send the message.
yes.
Once again, salamat sa Limitless, Fairtex, Be Athletic, UKC, MP Promotions, Knuckleheads, Viva, and Elorda TV. Grabe dedication ni Ala. I mean, he's also a friend of mine. I've seen him take care of so many people. Sometimes, nakikita mong hindi talaga ubra, pero it's still the same. Yung buhos niya ng oras, buhos niya ng saga. First time natin nakita umiti si Pedro Taduran. Because he knows it's almost over, 12 rounds.
Alam mo kung merong cut man of the year, no?
Eh, Tito Villamor na yan.
Dito, may tulong din actually si Michael Domingo, nakita natin doon. But we saw si Edito work on it early on.
Saka may instructions na rin yata dito kay Taduran. Relax ka na, bata. Bigyan mo lang ng job. Okay na to. Hey, well, sabi ni Taduran, baka mamaya mapatumba pa natin.
Tsaka baka masumpit pa tayo.
Oo, baka mamaya kasi usually pag nag-relax ka ganyan, doon ka na didisgrasya.
Yes, oo.
Pero naalala ko nga, going back to that Margarito fight, Manny Pacquiao was not throwing anything towards the eyes of Antonio Margarito anymore. At tinitignan niya lang yung referee. Don't you wanna stop this? Stop this now.
Siya na naawa.
Oo. Sa baba daw. Oh! Well, at the end of it all, we know Taduran is going to win if this goes to the scorecards, but he will have new respect for his opponent dito, Dennis.
Of course. Yeah. Well, tayo nga, bilib tayo dito sa pinapakita ni Balunan.
Talagang walang atrasan na gera, dyan mo siya ipapasok.
Yes. Sabi nga natin, yung resiliency, determination, Christian Balunan. Probably he can work on yung kanyang skill, especially dun sa the kind and the type of punches that he can unleash. Kasi meron din naman, may variety yung mga suntok niya. Wala lang masyadong diin.
12 wins, 7 knockouts, undefeated heading into this game, heading into this match. And Christian Balunan seems poised to be heading to his first ever defeat in his professional career, young professional career. 12 bouts, 13th bout is this one. Final second.
Sa kanya, tatama ni Pedro Taduran.
And that will do it. Christian Balunan survives 12 rounds with a world champion. And Miss Lukoy enjoying it. Sean Gibbons saw a quality fight here, Dennis Principe.
I agree.
No quit in Christian Balunan, and gains the respect of not only Pedro Taduran but for the entire boxing world na nanonood dito. Hindi sumuko eh.
Yes.
Finally, the ring physia, piece of paper dito. But what a day, ha? What a day dito. Ano pa lang ito? Countdown pa lang ito, Dennis, ha? The real Thrilla in Manila will happen this coming Wednesday, the 29th.
Yes, of course,
Ladies and gentlemen, after 12 rounds of championship boxing, we will go to the scorecards. But before anything else, ladies and gentlemen, for these two gladiators, a round of applause, please. Judge Hilco scored it 117 to 111. Judges attorney Akil Tamano and Judge Oliver Garcia both had it 118 to 110. For your winner by unanimous decision, and still the IBF minimum weight world champion, the pride of Bicolandia, Pedro